Something a little different for you today. Most dive torches you hold in your hand and or like strapped to the back of your hand, but this one in fact is hands-free and it shines wherever you look. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diving Magazine channel, your favorite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Today I have an unusual looking dive torch. It's the OrcaTorch Mazu TD01. So it's a head torch, which we don't see too many of these in the industry, but it has a 1200 lumen white light and a pair of red lights with a wide 12-degree spotlight beam and a kind of GoPro style mount that you can fit to either a helmet mount that comes with it or to this flexible head strap, or pretty much anywhere with a GoPro style mount. There are so many nowadays, but first let's see how it arrives and what comes with it. This is how it arrives, a little EVA case, OrcaTorch on the front, a little grab handle and a zippered opening. On the inside, we have the torch itself. I'll take a closer look at that in a second. You get the GoPro mount, that's like a quick release tray of some description. We have a GoPro screw mount that I can't get out. There it is, the pretty standard GoPro style, I should say, screw point. This looks to be the bungee head mount that's velcroed together, and yeah, pretty standard 3 or 2 strap head mount, and some pre-greased spare O-rings. They're always handy. It is nice that it's pre-greased, so you don't have to worry about doing that yourself, and it's in a Ziploc bag, so it's not going to go anywhere. A short, like GoPro style screw bolt mount with the nut, the bolt, and a couple of washers. A recharging cable with the the micro USB. You also have 2 spare nuts and bolts. That'll be for something inside of here, some kind of a mounting point. You get the user manual, how to use the torch, and that's in a few different languages. A warranty card, you can fill that out so that you always have a note of the serial number, and we get a just information about the rest of the torch range, and then you get the case itself. Little mesh section at the top. It's like half mesh, so sort of keep the thing organized. That section of foam is, oh no it isn't, it's kind of glued in place, but you can remove it if you just want an open case. But yeah, let's take a look at the headlamp itself. The light itself measures in at 98mm across. It's quite a wide torch, 32mm in diameter, around like the main body of the torch as it were, and 61mm deep, including that GoPro mount, just so that you know roughly how far it like sticks out from the mount. The torch itself, with the battery inside it, weighs in at 187 grams, which isn't heavy compared to a lot of other dive torches, but because it's mostly metal and it sticks out from your forehead a fair bit, then you do notice it when you first put it on, but you do get used to it very quickly. It is not going to continually force your head down. If you are wearing it like the right way up with the logo facing upwards, then the part over your left temple is the battery compartment. You unscrew the metal cap and you'll find the double O-ring seal, which seals it down to 150 meters. That's an impressive depth rating. Inside of that battery compartment is an 18650 rechargeable battery. This one that comes from OrcaTorch, that comes with it, has a built-in micro USB charging port. So you can plug the battery itself into a powered USB and just top it up between dives. The main LED is flanked by a pair of red LEDs, and you can flick between them using the rotary switch on the right hand side. Rotate one way and you get 1200 lumens of white light. Rotate it forwards again, and you get 450 lumens in a nice and wide 17-degree beam with a hotspot and a corona around it. So you illuminate one spot in particular and a certain amount around it. The red lights are similar if you return it to the off position. If you roll the switch backwards, you get high beam first of red light, that's at 50 lumens, and then low beam at 15 lumens. And then if you go back, there's a third SOS, like I think they call it a signal mode, that continually flashes at 25 lumens until the battery runs out. Battery burn times are pretty impressive. The white lights, you have 1 3/4 hours at full power and 3 1/4 hours at low power. Red lights, you have 2.5 hours on high, 8 3/4 at low, and just shy of 9 hours in signal mode. There's a good amount of crenellation on that switch, and there's like physical notches to let you know when you are changing modes, because it's going to be on your head and you might be wearing gloves. Gives you something to grab hold of, and you can physically feel it like click when it's changing modes. And all of it is made from aluminium, bar from like the mount itself, which is plastic and probably some other components on the inside. But the body, all the caps and the things, they're all made from aluminium. So the engineering is really nice and precise. 4 mounting bolts that hold that GoPro style mount on the back that you can pose to pretty much any angle and like 180 degrees all the way up, should you ever need to point it all the way up, or mostly downwards, depending on like the mask that you're wearing. If you've got a bigger mask, of course that's going to start getting in the way. If you're wearing a helmet over the top and you're using the helmet mount, it's not so much of an issue. But yeah, you can flip it, even if it's like done up really tight just to hold it in position. You can still repose it if you need to, just get something done. The head strap that comes with it has a nice and large rounded plate though to really anchor it on your forehead so it's not wobbling around, it does stay in place. 3 elastic straps, they come off of that, one over the top and then one either side, and they all have this like wavy grip detailing to it to like hold it in place. You can adjust the length of them, and they all meet on a second plate on the back. The left hand strap has a pair of Velcro and like popper tags. I presume those are for like cabling for like other head mounted lights with a power pack like at the back, but they don't have a lot of use here. I think it's just like a multi-purpose like standard head strap, but you don't need them for this particular torch. Who's the Mazu TD01 for? So it's really well put together little headlight for divers who need hands-free lighting. If you're doing work underwater where you need light to see what you're doing, but you also need a pair of hands to do the work, so you can't be holding a torch whilst doing whatever it is, then this is a great addition to your kit bag. It fits neatly over the top of your mask and even over a hood as well. It can get a little bit crowded if you angle it downwards if you have a larger mask, but you can still get a decent view of what's happening in front of you. The Mazu, as I said, is very well put together. Whilst a traditional handheld torch will probably suit most divers, so you don't blind your buddy every time you just look at them. If you do need a head torch for whatever you're doing underwater, this really is a strong choice for like a bunch of different reasons. It'll be handy in overhead environments because sometimes something dark can like drop down, well, not drop down, but just be there from the ceiling, and you might not see that with a torch if it's down here because the light beam is underneath it and you'll end up bumping into it. But with a light on your face, it's going to illuminate it, so at least you know that there's something there to duck underneath. If you use it on like a recreational night dive with a group of other divers, then you're going to be choosing between blinding your buddy every time that you look at them, or blinding yourself because you have to turn the light off to turn to them. You've got the low power mode, which is less blinding, but if you're right next to your buddy, 450 lumens is still going to dazzle them. But other divers, they're always dazzling me anyway with handheld lights, so hey, they might as well have a head torch on. I like it. It's a tool for a job. Mainly for if you need to like be doing something, if you're doing some kind of survey work underwater, you need both hands to do things, but you also need a bit of light to see what you're doing. It's perfect. if you do need that kind of torch, it's definitely a strong choice, and there aren't too many competitors out there, especially in this like power and like battery burn times out there. The Mazu TD01 will set you back £150 or $125. I'll be sure to check those numbers. There was a typo in the graphic for the DC710 video last week, but comparing the torch as like just a torch without the head mount or anything, just looking at like the lumen output and whatnot, it smashes a lot of other torches in that price range for that lumen output. So it is a very impressive torch for the amount that you're paying. For more information, I'll pop links down in the description below and one up here in the corner where you can find your closest OrcaTorch dealer and get your hands on one of these. Otherwise, remember to check out the website and our magazine. It's always a nice gift idea if there's like a diver in your life, you don't know what to get them, you can get them a magazine subscription, and but also you can subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. If you're new here, thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.